Becoming a successful YouTuber takes passion, consistency, and creativity. Choose a niche you love, invest in good equipment, plan your content, engage with your audience, and collaborate with others in your niche. Learn how to optimize your videos for searchability and be patient. Success on YouTube often takes time. Achieving success on YouTube is a journey that demands dedication and strategy. Start by selecting a niche or topic that genuinely excites you because passion will drive your creativity and commitment. Invest in essential equipment, including a quality camera, microphone, and video editing software, to ensure your content looks and sounds professional. Developing a content plan and maintaining a consistent upload schedule is crucial to keep your audience engaged and returning for more. Engagement with your viewers is key, so respond to comments, seek feedback, and build a sense of community around your channel. Collaboration can significantly boost your growth potential. Partner with other YouTubers in your niche or related fields to expand your reach and connect with new audiences. Familiarize yourself with YouTube's algorithm and optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags for better discoverability. Importantly, be patient and persistent. Building a substantial subscriber base and achieving success often takes time and perseverance. Authenticity and a genuine connection with your audience are paramount, so stay true to yourself and your content as you work towards becoming